From issues around tax now to Health Watch. And stigma has been cited as one of the biggest barriers to effective epilepsy treatment.
Speaking at an engagement forum in Nairobi, the Chief Executive Officer, Kenya Association for the Welfare of People with Epilepsy, pointed out that discrimination has made many patients opt for traditional healers. That's right. Experts now say that open conversation, community support, as well as public education are key in changing mindsets. Why? To improve access to care for patients. Doreen Arange is the one who filed this report.
Order marked by sudden recurring seizures caused by abnormal activity in the brain continues to be stigmatized.
One of the problems with epilepsy is that people always think epilepsy is very expensive to treat. The drugs are expensive. It is not true. Society carries a very big stigma, and that is the reason why people, about 70 to 80% of people who suffer from epilepsy do not access appropriate treatment.
It is against this backdrop that key stakeholders, including medical experts, epilepsy advocates, and community leaders, did a pilot program, Kenya Stigma campaign, in 2024 across 5 counties, namely Kilifi, Nyandarua, Kiambu, Kisii, and Kitui.
We were identifying the rural counties because of that aspect of awareness. We selected a county like Kisii. In such rural setups, a man with epilepsy can find help through being given a wife who can take care of him. But when a woman with epilepsy tries to get married, it's a challenge.
CEO KAWE, Patrick Ngeshu, says the pilot project revealed a staggering 80% treatment gap owing to stigma, with women bearing the brunt.
80% treatment gap in Kenya. So out of 10 people, only 2 have access to healthcare, and the other 8 go to traditional healers and to pastors to be prayed.
While data gaps remain, experts hope the program can be expanded to other counties for better care and resource allocation.
Healthcare, government stop seeing it as a place where you throw money, but as a place where you're investing so that these people can be able to be productive.
With approximately 1 million Kenyans accounting for 2% of Kenyans living with epilepsy, stakeholders opine that empowering patients to share their experiences and sensitizing communities to offer support will be vital in tackling stigma. Doreen Arange for Prime Edition.